welcome back to the channel. Welcome to day four of our St. Martin trip. We have had the most special, amazing trip so far here in St. Martin. If you haven't watched the vlogs prior, it's been very special for us because of what happened.
We got engaged.
I know, it's been so special, and yesterday was honestly like such a fun day. It was like our first full official day of being engaged, and it was so fun. And just like we spent the day at Pinell Island, and it was perfect there. And then we had a really good dinner, and we just had a really good day. We're gonna have another great day today. We're actually going to the famous like Maho beach, which is the beach that planes like fly like literally directly over.
So close.
Yeah, it's so close, and it looks close in like the videos and everything, but I think once we're there, I think it will feel even more.
It'll feel ridiculous.
It'll feel crazy. And like I love planes, so I'm so excited to like see this and everything. There's not a cloud in the sky today, which is actually crazy. Hopefully we'll get a good sunset tonight, because we really haven't had like a 10 out of 10 sunset this trip so far.
We're not on the sunset side of the island.
That's true, but it's also been very cloudy like here and there, so not a cloud in the sky today. So I'm hopeful that we'll get a good sunset. It is our last like full day here. We do have some time here tomorrow, but we're gonna soak in everything. Today we're gonna go to Maho Beach. We have some dinner reservations tonight, and then honestly I think like we just kind of want to explore today, like check out like different parts of the island that we haven't seen. Exactly. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We've had a very chill morning this morning. I got some extra sleep today. We made some breakfast. Our friends did some like a little workout. Got to FaceTime some of our friends and stuff, and it's been a really good day so far. I feel like we're all like sleep deprived, especially you and I, just because like we had been so sick and everything. So getting the extra sleep this morning was so helpful. But it is very toasty. Very toasty out here. So I'm gonna dab my little sweat mustache there, and then we're gonna go inside, and then we're gonna head to Maho Beach. We'll take you guys along for another day here in St. Martin. Yeah, if you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe
down below. This is probably the most special vlog series that we've had on the channel so far, and it's been amazing. So anyway, let's kick in to amazing day here in St. Martin.
Yeah.
Let's do it. We are back from our day exploring. It truly was an incredible, perfect day. We are actually I'm done getting ready. Zach's currently getting ready for dinner tonight. We have a reservation tonight. I think it's at like 7:30. I forget. I'll tell you more about that when he gets out of the shower, so because he has the details on that. But our day was incredible. Maho Beach. If you are in St. Martin, if you're on the French side, if you're on the Dutch side, everywhere is kind of like within, I feel like, an hour drive. We ended up driving like a little under 40 minutes to Maho Beach from where we're staying. We're staying on the French side, and it was like a 35 to 40 minute drive from our Airbnb to Maho Beach. And if you are staying in St. Martin or you're coming to St. Martin, you have to go to Maho Beach. It is so cool. It looks so cool like on TikToks and everything and just videos, but it is so much cooler in person. Like, it just feels so surreal to be under like an airplane, like truly like the plane lands not that far after it goes over you. It's so loud. It's so cool. It's actually cool because you can see him landing, but you can also see him take off. And there's like signs everywhere that say like when it's taking off, don't stand behind the airplane for obvious reasons, because the air, everything, sand will just blow. And let me tell you, we got some funny footage of that happening because we thought we were like in the clear at some points of not getting blown from the sand or just like from the propellers of the airplane and stuff. But we were not in the clear, and it was just honestly so funny. We had such a fun time. It was incredible. Like all day there were planes leaving and coming, and we were only there for a few hours, but it was so cool. There was a lot of mini planes, like St. Martin and a lot of like the Caribbean islands around here. A lot of people like get from island to island from those like mini planes, so it was really cool to get to see those land or leave. And then it was even cooler to see like the JetBlue planes or like the United American, like those huge massive airplanes that like you take to get to these places. It was so cool. And actually, I didn't get a video of it, but there was a Boston Bruins like JetBlue airplane that came by, and that is so cool. Obviously, like we're from the Boston area, so I wish I got that on footage, but I did not. But that was just amazing. And then we ended up going to, I think it was called the Sunset Beach. Sunset Beach like bar, which is right like on Maho Beach, and we really enjoyed our time there. We got some drinks, we got some food, we were able to see like the whole restaurant's outside, so you were able to see the planes landing and the planes leaving, and it was such a cool experience. Like that was definitely like a bucket list item checked off of my bucket list. It was really cool, and I'm so glad that we got to do that. And there's been like very minimal clouds in the sky, so I feel like we were able to see everything so clear because of that, so it was very cool. I would highly recommend going. But we did do some shopping, the typical like touristy shopping. We always make sure to get like an ornament and a magnet, like stuff like that when we're traveling. But this trip, because everything, it's just been so special, I really wanted to make sure that we had time to actually get that stuff. And I ended up picking out this, hold on, let me get it all out of the bag. Okay, for an ornament, I found this one, and it's kind of hard to see, but it is like the Maho Beach, like airplanes like going over the beach. It's really cool. I thought this one would just like commemorate like our really cool day here, being able to go to Maho Beach. So I love it. It's like a glass ball ornament. I'm really excited about that. We have a few different like glass ball ornaments, and they're just really pretty, and they do remind me of vacation because we do have like a lot of the glass ball ones from like tropical vacation. So that is really pretty, and I'm so excited to put that on our tree. And we are very far away from Christmas, but it's so fun like during Christmas time getting to like open them back up and put them on the tree and relive the memories. It's so fun. Then I got two stickers. This one here is just like a map of the island. We're staying in the St. Martin section, so like the French side, and then this is the Dutch side over here, Saint Martin. But I wanted to get this. I love collecting stickers, and then I thought this one was really cute too. It's just some like palm trees and some pretty colors. And then I also got this little like anklet. It's gonna be too big for my wrist, so I'm definitely gonna be wearing it as an anklet, but it's so cute. It's just some little seashells, and it's definitely very beachy, very fun. So we picked that up, and then we also got a shot glass. I'm not gonna take it out of the packaging because I wanted to protect it on the way home, but we do sometimes, not all the time, get a shot glass. They're just fun to kind of stick on our bar card in the apartment. And then this is what I'm like really excited for. Also, you're like on a tripod on a very wobbly table, so hopefully things are not shaky. If not, I'm gonna hope the DJI Osmo Pocket comes in handy here. We got this little ornament too. I don't really want to take it out of the packet. Oh, I can totally do that. I didn't know if it was like secured in there pretty good, but this one is so cute too. It's just a little St. Martin ornament, and I really like this one too because this is more of like has all of the island stuff. The other ornament was just kind of like a Maho Beach type one. But the next thing I'm going to show you is the thing that I'm like ultra super excited for. It is a frame, and it's so pretty. It says St. Martin, and I figured it would be perfect to put one of our engagement pictures in here, and I just love it. We never collect frames from when we're traveling, but this was like the perfect time to do it, so I'm really excited about that. We did get our pictures, or we got our preview. No, we did. We got them all. So we have like 4 of them that are completely edited, and they're beautiful. I posted them on Instagram, and I'm just so grateful for everyone that's been so nice and kind on our Instagrams and everything about it. So, and just texting us, I'm just like completely overwhelmed with all the love, and I'm just so grateful. But we do have to like sit down and look through all of the photos, and then we're gonna like the ones that we really want to like have edited from the photographer. So we got to find some time to do that today. or tomorrow. I'm not sure we'll have time to really do it today because I really want to like pick the ones out that we really love, and they're all good, but we got to pick like, I think we get them all, but I think we can pick some of them that I actually don't know how it works. I need to ask Zach. He obviously like organized it all and everything, but I am so excited for tonight. It's our last night here in St. Martin, so we're just gonna take it all in. I want to show you the view that I'm currently looking at right now. It is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let me pan you over here too. This is the view, and I'm gonna miss it so much, but we've just had truly like such an incredible special trip, and yeah, we're just gonna soak up all of the last night here in St. Martin, and I'll update you guys like whatever we end up doing, because I don't even know. Oh, I do remember where we're going tonight. We're going to a place called Java. I think it's like a Mediterranean type food place, but yeah, I'm excited. But I'm just gonna keep chilling out here, taking in the scenes while I wait for Zach and our friends to finish getting ready for the night. Of course. How was last night?
Last night was really fun. Really good dinner. Really good dinner.
That was our favorite food we've had this entire trip. It was so good. It was called Java. The restaurant was so cute. It was located in Grand Case, which is kind of like a very lively kind of area.
We've been there a few other times this trip. Rainbow Cafe.
Yes.
Ocean 82.
But we hadn't been at like night, and it was really fun. They were doing like a festival or...
Apparently every Tuesday they do like a little like street vendor parade thing, so...
It was cool. Yeah. Like, I ended up getting, it's way in my suitcase, but I ended up getting like a little tote bag that said St. Martin on it, and it's so cute. It's blue, and I'll show you, I'm sure you'll see it in the vlogs, like when we get home and everything, but it was cute. They had like little vendors everywhere, like little small businesses selling everything, but the restaurant was so good. It was like a very nice restaurant. Yeah. Like, we were saying that the dinner that we had last night, we kind of wish we got on the night we got engaged, because the food last night was so good. So good. We got lobster bisque as a starter, and then a Caesar salad, and both of those were so delicious. Like, we loved them. We loved them. And then we got the same thing as our main dishes. It was
beef tenderloin.
That
was flambéed.
It was so good. Yeah, you saw it in the vlog.
That they made from the flambe.
God, it was so good.
You got mashed potatoes, and I got potatoes gratin.
Yes, it was like truly delicious. And then we got like little scoops of ice cream to finish off our night. But that dinner was so good. Like, honestly, that was the perfect like cap or like last dinner for our trip. It was so good. And then we came back and we packed and we just kind of hung out with our friends for a bit. But it is the next day, so we're gonna start a next vlog. It's just gonna be a little bit of a travel. It might be a short vlog. It might be a little travel vlog. We'll see. But I really just want to document everything from this trip because I never want to forget like anything that we've done. But this like whole day was just like so much fun. Going to Maho Beach, I did like a little haul in the video when we were getting ready, but I showed them what we bought and kind of like just what Maho Beach was and just how incredible that was. It was like just truly a bucket list item. Like, bucket list check. It was so cool. Like, where else would you do something like that?
Nowhere else.
I don't know, but it was really, really cool. So we're going to end the vlog off here and we're going to start the next vlog. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. Yeah, that is pretty much it. We will see you in the next one. Bye.